Day number 12, 30-day Crypto.com challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Crypto.com has been a proud partner of Visa since 2018 and now available in 40 countries. It's just getting started. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, we look at here, and the price is 68 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this first. And we're going to go in that Captain spreadsheet and make a actually purchase on December 2nd, 2021. Now, we're going to make this in COINBASEPro.com. If you don't have access to this, click on the link below to get access. So we're going to go ahead and go to market, and we're going to get all of it today. So if we go ahead and click on maximal, we're only using 50 cents in fees today. So let's go ahead and go do this. So I believe it's going to look very similar to what this is right here. So if I go to $99.50, here we go. It's about 68 cents. Remember that? Let's go ahead and format this about 68, 69 cents. And that leaves us about 144 in total in terms of assets. So our goal is to get this to about 4,000. So that's the goal, to get about 4,000 Crypto.com tokens in this challenge. Goal is 4,000. Now let's go ahead and go down here. Type this in number 12, and we need to change this. We got to change this date here. Let's change this to the 2nd. So here, and then the average buying price about 75 cents. So let's go here, click on here. So it's actually gonna go lower in terms of the total profit. It's gonna go higher. So we're actually gonna be negative $154.51. That's okay. Place the order. We good to go, successful. And we see the orders in our portfolio under the field section right there. So we all good and ready to go there. All set. We have made that position. And let's go look at the Captain spreadsheet one more time. And we have done $18.46 in total paid in Crypto.com. Total fees is only $39.35. And $18.85.84 is total paid. So we'll be back tomorrow for day number 13 to continue this going. We can't wait. We still have about, we're winding down. We're winding down our days. We're getting close to our December 20th date. That will be the last day of the challenge. Thank you so much so far for joining me. I know right now we're in the red, but we'll be in the green in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I really love this news here because Visa, I'm a big fan of Visa and Crypto.com and Coinbase Pro and Coinbase.com and the Captain spreadsheet. And I'm a fan of yours. I'll see you on the next video.